This video is about manual defrost. Manual defrost is simply achieved by pushing the defrost button when box temperatures are at or below 45 degrees. Allow the unit to continue in defrost until the defrost indicator on the screen is completed. It will automatically go back to the previously programmed set point and resume normal operation. Defrost is now complete and we have resumed cooling. Let's see what happens when we put it in manual defrost with the box temperature above 45. It will simply say defrost is not available and then resume the previous mode of operation.